How to delete YouTube account. So if you want to delete your YouTube account, then what you need to do is just go with your browser and search for google.com/account/about and again slash and hit the enter. And it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need simply go to Google account, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed in, go with the data and privacy, which is here on the left side, and you need to simply scroll down, and here you will find an option of, and here you will have data from apps and services that you use. So you just need to simply scroll down and go with delete a service option. Here you will have delete a Google service. You need to click on it and verify if it's you or not. Simply enter the pass key and then choose YouTube and go with delete, which is here on the right side. And once you go with delete, the service will be deleted. Just go with I want to permanently delete my content, or if you want to hide your channel, you can hide it, but you can simply choose permanently delete. And after that, your YouTube account will be deleted. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.